Today I'm bringing new life to this old Halloween decoration.
Hey, Ma!
So for this revamp, you'll need latex paint, a hot glue gun, and paint and paintbrushes. That's it. So it started when I found this for 59 cents. Unfortunately, the rubber was breaking down, and as you can see, cotton was coming out and it was really in bad shape. But what do you want for 59 cents? So I bought it anyway. I used the hot glue to cover the cotton areas. You see I'm using a glue stick so I don't burn myself. But I thought that the hot glue would look really good. I could disguise it as warts, maybe some nail fungus or something. And that was the plan. After I finished sealing all the cracks and crevices, I went back and trimmed it, and then I was ready to paint. So I get this paint really cheap from like Home Depot for about $2. Of course, I shook it, but I should have stirred it first. So here I go back and stir it so that it's the right consistency. You really need the latex paint because it's going to seal that rubber and it's going to make it so that all those cracks and things like that don't continue to spread. So the white paint that I got was a primer and a sealant, so it worked out pretty good. We'll just fast forward this part. Now after this layer dries, you will want to go ahead and put a second coat on just to make sure that you get everything sealed and you don't have any cracks that come through. Awesome. After you let that second coat dry, it's time for the green. So I'm just using regular green acrylic paint and I'm going over everything, covering it. I like the witchy look, so we're just going to continue with that. I do think this is a better color green than the original. Okay, so the second coat of green. So for this, I added a little bit of gray to it because I wanted to have a more kind of ashen color than I was getting, and it turned out perfect. Finally, the last step was to mix some black with the green so that you can cover the warts and also the nails. And after that, you're done!